Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker, Comfort Grip Handle, Durable Glass Carafe, Removable Mesh Filter, Perfect 6-cup size, Dishwasher Safe, 1.6 QT, Black. Better brewing, enjoy smooth, delicious cold brew coffee at home. Also great for iced tea and infused beverages. The high quality keeps your beverage fresh for days. Easy to use, brew, store and serve all in one. A simple 4-step process. 1. Simply add coffee grounds to brew filter. 2. Pour cold water over coffee. 3. Brew in the refrigerator overnight. 4. Serve and enjoy. Innovative design, made of temperature-safe borosilicate glass with a durable protective holder and comfortable grip handle. Specially designed lid seals in freshness for days and provides a smooth, drip-free pour. Fine mesh coffee filter keeps grounds out of your coffee. Non-slip silicone base protects the glass from accidental slips. Perfect compact size, large enough for multiple servings yet still fits most refrigerator doors. The Burke makes up to 5 servings, 6 cups, 6 quarts or 51. 2 ounces of delicious, smooth cold brew coffee or tea. Endless possibilities. Use your favorite coffee grounds or tea and base your brew time on desired strength. Coffee lovers can add their favorite flavors such as vanilla, cinnamon or coconut with coffee grounds before cold brewing, while tea lovers can add mint or citrus zest. Effortless cleanup. The Burke is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Includes a removable brew filter that features a removable bottom to easily clean out used grounds. Saves you money. Enjoy the craft coffee experience from the convenience of your home at a fraction of the price. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.